Alright, so we are coming down to our last couple bots. We're going to get lots of vehicles here in a minute. This very well could be a vehicle. I'm going to say it's not, though, based off the feeling. It is definitely a figure. And it is Jetfire. And I'm happy because that means that I get to put the dude together the way I wanted to. I was really hoping for the white one. It might not be the super rare, but nonetheless it will blend together much better. So that means Galvatron is our super rare, and I'm cool with that. I like his cool Jetfire, looking real sharp. I definitely was excited for this release. It's funny too because his name in the show originally is Skyfire, so I relate to that quite a bit. His leg prints, oh yeah, his leg prints are so cool. Those are super detailed leg prints. Probably some of my favorite they've ever done. This is a really cool figure, guys. I can only imagine how much cooler the Super Chase one is of this guy, if I'm already this happy and I just got the regular one. But this for me was exactly what I wanted, as I wanted to combine this dude later with Optimus Prime to give him that Michael Bay universe look. And I believe that his jet form plugs right into the back if you really want to get crazy with it. No, it doesn't. Okay, that is fine. But he does have storage for guns or other goods that you may want to carry. Yeah, no, this is definitely easily the top one for me now. Just his print is very detailed. He has his Autobot logo. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Y'all did very well.